Hey Boujee Babes, so what you're gonna need, I have my label stickers here, my gloves, my pipettes, my plastic knives, my flavoring oil, coconut oil, and my peppermint spray, my pigments, and my lip gloss base, my lip gloss tubes, and my huge syringes. Oh, and the plastic bowls. So let's get started. What you want to do first is put your gloves on. First things first, wash your hands, put your gloves on, get your bowl ready, and fill it with as much base as you would like. Next, you're going to add your coconut oil to thin out the consistency of the lip gloss base because it's pretty thick. And then you're going to add some peppermint oil. If you want to add in that peppermint flavor or scent, that's what you want to add. That's what you want to use. And then you're just going to stir it to your liking, to your consistency liking, and keep adding coconut oil to thin it out. And then here I'm just filling up my syringe with the lip gloss base. And then I did attach a pipette to the end of my syringe, and you just start from the bottom and you fill. It's super easy once you have a big syringe. Like, it's super easy. So here I decided to start on a new color so you guys can actually see me filling the syringe, because with the clear you can't really tell. So I'm using my pink, adding my coconut oil to thin out the consistency of the lip gloss base, because like I said, it is pretty thick. I'm adding in my vanilla scent and just stirring it to my liking. And I'm adding some more scent oil because I just want to. And yeah, see, I like this consistency right here. And then right here, I'm just cutting off the top of the pipette and the skinny part on the bottom. And then you just attach it to the tip of your syringe and you tape it. My mom taped it for me. I didn't show that part, but she taped it for me. And then you just fill up your syringe with your lip gloss base. And you don't want to fill it all the way to the top, because if you do, you won't be able to squeeze it. You won't be able to push it, I mean. So yeah, so you see how easy it's just coming out, because you want to make sure your consistency is like kind of thin, not too thick, because then it's going to be hard to like get in there. So now I am filling up. I'm using my bronze mica coloring. On my website, this is going to be called 24K. It's super pretty. I'm adding in my coconut oil to thin out the consistency, my vanilla scent oil, and then I'm just stirring. Adding more coconut oil to thin it out. Boom, 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 and then we just fill. I only did a little bit of this this bronze mica because I just wanted to see how it would sell. So I just really made like 2 of these. I really like the color. It's like a gold. So yeah, if your consistency is like really like not super thin, but if it's like thin enough, then it will just flow really easily into the lip gloss tube. So right here, I'm just gonna do, I think I'm switching over to the red. Oh, actually I'm doing the silver here. Okay. So the exact same thing. You just want to keep repeating the steps. Add your coconut oil again to thin out the consistency. Scent oil, more lip gloss base to make more tubes, of course, because I know my silver and my clear lip glosses sell out the most. So yeah, just repeat the steps. When you're filling up your tubes, you want to make sure you do a left to right motion. Like here, you just want to go side to side. Boom, 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 boom. You don't want to just put it in the middle and just fill, because it's going to be empty on the sides. So you want to go like left to right, side to side to fill up your tubes. Boom. Last but not least, we're gonna name her Ruby Rose. This color is really pretty. I didn't use all my other pigments today. I just wanted to show y'all a few colors and how I do it with the big syringes, because like my previous video, you guys could tell I was using the small syringes and it didn't work out as well. So now I have the big syringes, and I would like to see what y'all gotta say now in the comments. No, I'm just playing, but for real. Now it works so much easier with the big syringes, as you can tell. Like, it's like a faster process. So yeah. Do not forget to go side to side to side when you're filling up your lip gloss tube. That's major key, okay? Major. So to clean my lip gloss tubes, I use antibacterial soap. I'm throwing all of my lip glosses in a bowl, and you just swish them really good. Just give them a good swish, 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 swish. And you just pull them out, use a paper towel, and you dry each one of them one by one. Okay, now I'm just adding my transparent stickers. You guys, you keep asking me, where do I get my logo stickers from? Do I make my labels? I do not make my labels. I go to my local mall and someone makes them for me. So you guys can just check out your local mall and see if someone there makes logo stickers. I mean, it's as simple as that. And there you have it. Let me know in the comments what you guys would like to see. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.